Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about how you can get revenge in Monopoly Go. So if I click on the three lines in the top right corner right here and I select board report, as you can see, some people have tried to attack me, and let's say we want to get revenge. So all we have to do is land on one of those railway spots. So basically just start rolling. I'm going to show you in a second. When I land for it or land on it, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to come back. Okay, so as you can see right here, we got the demolition railroad. So basically, if you want to get revenge, all we have to do is right here, you select switch opponent, and this is the person. As you can see, revenge, it will tell you the people that have attacked you recently, and most recently, for example, let's do Chow. If we press on it, it will switch the person that you are attacking currently. So all we gotta do is, well, attack one of their buildings, and if they don't have a shield up like they didn't right here, then that's it. That's your way of getting revenge. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.